It's gonna rain. It has to rain because this feels like wet cotton candy outside or something. It's just very humid. Starting to remind me of like Louisiana, but hey, no, hell no. Louisiana was horrible. All y'all down south got that humidity that is just wild, but I mean, we're kind of getting there right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a dust storm over here. It really doesn't pick it up well on this camera, but it looks like a lot more thick in reality. Merino Beach. Ain't no beach over here. I don't know where they got that from. All I ever ask is one. Fuck. What's up, man? Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My legs. My leg. Oh yeah. Running up and down them stairs was just not cool. Every time I got back downstairs, I was like, oh, I forgot this. Had to go back upstairs. I just wanted to lay down, but oh no. You kidding me? Oh my. What is going? No. Well, that was frustrating. I think I left the light on though in here. I'm not sure because when I left the gym it almost didn't start too, and I noticed that, but I forgot. I don't know. Either that is, or it's just a Ford found on road, dead, fix or repair daily. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to talk about you, but you got to start doing better. You got to start pushing through the pain. Like me when I'm squatting. Okay? I'm about to get a new one. Of a different race. Probably Chevy. Not Camaro though. Don't get it twisted. But how can I know when I came from the bottom? Lord no. Nigga, 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 Lord no. Lord knows that's art. On the south side, really outside, got guns, got killed. Started from the bottom of the bottom, last bottom popping in the sky, fella. Catch your body, be about it. I'm from where you couldn't tell you ain't be about it. I ain't really with the talking to be G about it. When we catch you niggas slipping, we gon' see about it. I got a ball. He looked me right in my eyes and said, oh my god, he's staring at me. Abort! Damn, I'm loud. That one echoed. But anyways, hi. Saying hi to her, not you guys. Boom.
Someone that's so proud to be with me. She walk right up to her ex, look him dead in the...
Wait, that's the wrong sign.
I got the juice, nigga, I got the juice. Nigga, I got the juice when I about the coupe.
No. We're pushing my car out of the way. Let's go up the hill. You got it?
Yeah, when we get on the downhill, let's push the road.
All right.
Watch out for this one.
Behind us?
No, this one.
Oh, in front of us? Yeah, I will smack this nigga. Oh, shit.
We're gonna get good speed, bro.
Hell yeah.
So when it gets too fast...
All right, I'll see you guys in a second. Hold on. Got him. Got him. No keys. Push to start.
Better not come to my studio with that fake shit. Y'all better not come to my funeral with that fake shit. Y'all better off realizing there's nothing that y'all could do with me. All I ever ask is keep it 8 more than 92 with me 100.